Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to mark all chats as read in Facebook Messenger. Whether you're managing multiple conversations or just want to clear those unread notifications, this updated guide will help you stay organized. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app is loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap on the Messenger icon. This will take you to your Messages section, where all your conversations are displayed. Next, locate the chat with unread messages. You can identify these by the bold text or notification indicator next to the sender's name. Once you've found the chat, long tap on the sender's username. This action will bring up a menu with additional options. From the menu that appears, simply tap on Mark as Read, and that's it. The unread message indicator will disappear, confirming that the chat has been marked as read. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your chats and ensure your inbox stays clutter-free. This feature is perfect for keeping track of important conversations while maintaining a clean and organized messaging experience. Thank you for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay connected for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.